When we started work in 2001, we hadn't nothing. No books, no even written language, no alphabet. And in every encyclopedia or book were that Votic people extinct, only 2 old women survived. So first we started not with language actually, but we started by saying that we are here. I remember very good that when we came to in St. Petersburg to Finnish Institute, we said we want to make photo exhibition, and the leader of the institute said, "Oh, Votians, but there are not many Votians at all. They extinct." And I said, "We are came. We are Votians, we came, we want to make this exhibition to show us." And it was for a few years that we actually declare that Votian people still alive. And it's very sad that we have so bad connection now with Russian side. We can't even connect by mail sometimes because people afraid of connection to other countries. And the worst thing that now even our Finno-Ugric movements marked as extremistic. And after this, many people who I connected, they just make silence now.